welcome to my Malibu home. Come on in. As you can see here, the beautiful view. So peaceful here. I love having the view of the ocean. I feel like I'm in my little tree house up here. It's my little oasis. So come on, let me show you around the house. I'm super excited to show you all my pieces. I've spent the past almost 2 years working on it and it's finally here. The collection is called Love Joy Bliss. I really wanted the collection to be timeless and beautiful, but also functional for your family and everyday living. Let me show you around the house and show you some of my favorite pieces. This is the Love Joy Bliss round dining room table and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite pieces from the collection. This is actually our breakfast nook, and what I love about it is that even in a small space like this, it really doesn't feel like a large table because it's made with the glass and the beautiful geometric shape with the soft gold detail. So there's a lot of space and air and light that can come through. And these are the Love Joy Bliss oval chairs. This table itself could go with any chairs that you have at home because it's really quite versatile. But this is the way that I've put it together in my home and it feels timeless. I personally love geometric shapes because they add an interesting perspective, and I'm a big lover of crystals. I love the fact that these geometric shapes are representative of crystals themselves. So this is the Brentwood chair and ottoman, and I love that it is made with performance durable fabric, which is easy to clean, especially being a mother of 3 boys. I really need it to be easy to clean. So if anything spills on it, you can easily just wipe it off. It doesn't sink in. And I really love having the beautiful, crisp, creamy white as the base of the color. You can decorate the chair with the little accent pillow and throw. Decorating is one of my favorite things to do, and often at night when the kids go to bed and my husband's, in bed reading a book, I will just potter around the house and redecorate and rearrange a few things, because for me it's all about a feeling. I'll just play around with a few different elements. I'll try, how does it feel like if I put that there, or do I remove this crystal? Let me see how I feel about putting it back like this. And then I'm like, okay, that feels good. So this is the opaline bar cabinet, which has the mother of pearl inlay detail on the outside here. It's very beautiful. And then on the inside, you have all of these wonderful compartments, the beautiful storage space for the wine glasses, these adjustable shelvings, the wine storage at the bottom. Depending on what you want to store in here, you could store plates, little trinkets, champagne glasses. This is my son's artwork, just put it in the beautiful bar cabinet. And when you close it, you can't even tell that it's a bar cabinet. I have a friend who actually wants to get this for her daughter, or maybe her daughter wants to get it and use it as a storage space in her room. Obviously she won't be storing wine in it. You can use it kind of anywhere in your home. This is the Marion dining room table with alabaster wood grain detail. What I love about this table is that you have the extra 2 leaves here that you can add, so you can make it an 8-seater or a 6-seater. The chairs that I have accompanying the table are the Love Joy Bliss chairs. I'm quite a tactile person, so having the woven fabric next to the white lacquer detail, and then the alabaster wood grain on the back, and the beautiful soft gold feet, to me that felt like, even though it's a neutral palette, there are many dimensions to it. What's nice about the whole collection is that you can add your own warmth and your own personality to it. And the way I like to do that is by adding like some beautiful flowers or a throw or a pillow. So this is my living room. I love this space. I love the beautiful ceilings, and I love that the light comes through. It's such an inviting, cozy space. This is the Brentwood sofa that I have here, and I love the durable fabric. As I was saying, you can decorate with pops of color. These pillows were actually scarves that I had made into pillows, so that's a fun idea. These are the Love Joy Bliss end tables with the alabaster wood grain finish. There's a beautiful detail there with the soft gold knobs. This is the editorial cocktail table, and I love the mother of pearl inlay. When the light hits it, you can see it just reflects that beautiful mother of pearl. The mixture with all the neutral palette, but all in different textures, is something that I find really appealing. Anyway, let me show you the bedrooms. So this is my bedroom. I specifically made it so the bath was in the middle of the room. I wanted an open bathroom feel. Here we have the poof that I designed, which is quite versatile. I like to have it here, so sometimes when I'm bathing the kids, it's easy to kind of do that without necessarily getting in the tub with them. This is the Malibu bed, and how fitting because we are in Malibu. I specifically designed this bed with this room in mind. I actually hand drew the way that I wanted the wood to go, and I love the way it turned out. I think it's really beautiful, and it works perfectly with the Love Joy Bliss side tables and the beautiful mother of pearl inlay. I love this fabric on the back wall as opposed to a wallpaper because it gives another dimension. So there you have it. This is my gorgeous bedroom. Everything that I design, I try to put a positive intention and meaning behind it. When I first began designing the collection, I originally wanted love to be for the bedroom, joy for the kitchen, and bliss for the living room. But then I realized there are a lot of pieces that are interchangeable and versatile from room to room. And this way you can have love, joy, and bliss in every room. I hope you enjoyed my new Miranda Kerr home collection. See you next time. Bye.